Hi everybody, what we're going to be looking at today is subtracting 4-digit numbers. So just like we've done this past week, I have our place values up here, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And we're going to be taking away some from a larger number. So 4,273 is much bigger than 2,142. So we can take this number on the bottom away from the larger top number. It's kind of like addition, but a little bit different because in addition, you're adding the two numbers together and you're making more on the bottom, so you'll end with a larger number, but in subtraction, you have the largest number on the top and you're taking away from that larger number. So let's go ahead and start subtracting with the ones, and then we'll move on to the tens, but I'm going to be drawing kind of our base 10 manipulatives to be able to picture this. So we first have 3, take away 2. So I have 3 ones, right? Our itty bitty ones. And we're taking 2 of those away. If I erase 2, I am left with 1. So the answer is 1. Okay? Now, move on to our tens place value. If I have 7 to begin with and I take away 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I start with 7 tens and I take 4 away. I'm going to erase 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am left with 3. So now we have 3 tens. Then we have 2 hundreds, take away 100. This is pretty simple subtraction here, but I just wanted to help you guys out with it because we're adding in thousands place value. So 2 hundreds, take away 1 of them. We're going to erase 1. We're left with 100. And last but not least, our thousands place value really isn't any trickier to subtract than any of the other ones because 4 and 2, they're just small numbers. 4 of these big cubes, let me draw them really fast. 1, 2, super fast. 3 and 4. 4 cubes. And we're taking away 2 of them. So I'm going to erase this bottom one that you can't really even see down here. And another one, and that leaves us with 2. 2,000 is left over. Let me put that comma in there and then take everything away. So our answer is 2,131. Notice that our difference, or the answer down here, is less than the original number we started with. Remember, in subtraction, if you ever take a number away from another one, you always want to have the larger number and you're taking a smaller number away from it because you cannot take 8 away from 2. If you only have 2 of something, you can't take 8 away from it. You only have 2 to begin with. So you always have to start with a larger number on top when subtracting. Okay? So go ahead and revisit this if you want to watch it over again to make sure that you know that you're starting with the ones place value, then moving on to the tens, then the hundreds, and then the thousands. It's simple subtraction, and it's not too difficult. Just like subtracting from ones, it's very simple to take away from thousands. Okay? This is without regrouping today, so you don't have to worry about borrowing. It's just simple subtraction.